Hello, in this first step of routing in Laravel, we open project directory and see routes directory and open web.php. For default routes get index and return view welcome. Okay, if we define a very sub domain or very sub link, for example, my domain and article. If click enter, error not found, and we see not found this article. Okay, for define article in routes, we can use this method. Copy this and the route get in this article. Okay, and return article page. Okay, if refresh and find article page, and it is work. Okay, routes, the most basic Laravel route accepted a URL and Clojure provided a very simple and expensive method for define route. Default route by default define it in routes directory and location routes, and this file automatically loaded by framework, and we can change this place of provided route service provider and public function boot and route web routes web.php. In continue our course, I say that how change this routes directory and file name. For most application, we define in route and in define web.php and many URL simple and define blog, define page, and product, and define course. We can define these for access to entire page, article page, blog page, and page index, for example, product page and course. Okay, I open product and simply see product page. If open course, see course page and many other page, for example blog and page. Okay.